Kings Island is thrilled to introduce to you Orion, the newest B&M Giga coaster to join the Kings Island lineup. Orion will open in the spring of 2020 and will be the tallest, fastest, and longest steel coaster at Kings Island. It is one of only 7 Giga coasters in the world.
Very excited.
Very excited here at Kings Island to have our new coaster, Orion.
For what year?
Spring of 2020.
All right, Giga?
It's a Giga.
All right.
We all expected. 300-foot drop, 91 miles per hour, 5,000 some feet.
Or something like that, right?
It's definitely 5,000 something.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. All right, well, goodbye from Kings Island, August 15, 2019. All right. Hopefully you guys are looking back saying, nah, that was a great coaster, or they wasted their money. I'm not for sure which one you're gonna say. We'll find out, won't we?
Get your gold passes.
No, platinum's the only way to go, brother. Ain't that right?
Yeah. But if you're just going for Orion, just get a gold pass.
Yeah.
Hashtag Kings Island better than Cedar Point. Let's get this.
No. Well, maybe, yeah. I don't care. I don't really care.
Definitely is.
I like state fairs, guys.